Growing vegetables from the same family consecutively in the same plot is called continuous cropping. It leads to more diseases. By contrast, growing vegetables from different families in rotation is known as crop rotation. It ensures a large harvest. Memorize this vegetable growing rhyme, and you'll have a good harvest no matter what you plant. If you plant melons after melons, your efforts will be in vain. If you plant beans after beans, nothing will grow well. Plant peppers after radishes, yields will be extremely high. Plant cucumbers after lettuce, yields will be so high you'll need a cart to haul them. Plant soybeans after radishes, enjoy a bountiful harvest. Plant garlic after eggplants, their flavor will be loved by everyone. Plant corn after watermelons, growth will thrive. Plant tomatoes after cilantro, you'll see the high yield clearly. Plant pumpkins after spinach, you'll smile happily year after year. Did you remember these? Follow me to get more planting tips. Poke a hole in an eggshell, fill it with soil, and drop in some vegetable seeds. They'll sprout in 3 days. When transplanting, just crack the bottom of the shell and plant it directly. It's super easy, and the eggshell also adds calcium to the soil. Soak a leftover corn cob in water for 1 night, then cut it into small sections. Poke a hole in each section with a chopstick, tuck a corn seed into the hole, and in 10 days, it'll grow like this, then you can transplant it. This is what we call using organic residues to nourish the same plant. Stuff cucumber seeds into water beads, and they'll sprout the next day. This is a clever shortcut method. Fill a worn-out boot with soil, cut a hole in the front to prevent waterlogging, stick a wooden stick inside the boot, and plant climbing vegetables. In 10 days, they'll grow this tall. Hurry up and give these a try too. If you think the video is helpful to you, please use your lucky hand to like and follow me to get more planting tips. Thank you. Which vegetables love sunlight and which don't? Let me explain it briefly for you today. First, let's talk about vegetables that don't like much sunlight. These include green onions, Chinese chives, cilantro, crown daisy, leaf lettuce, and pea shoots, among others. They only need 2 to 4 hours of sunlight per day to grow normally, making them suitable for planting under big trees or along wall edges. Next are vegetables with moderate light needs. They don't require as much sunlight, needing only 6 to 8 hours of light per day. Examples of these vegetables are ginger, cabbage, Chinese cabbage, and radishes. Then there are vegetables that need plenty of sunlight. They won't grow well if they don't get enough light. They require at least 8 hours of sunlight daily. Such vegetables include chili peppers, tomatoes, eggplants, bittermelon, pumpkins, watermelons, beans, corn, and sweet potatoes, etc. These vegetables have a high demand for sunlight because they need sufficient photosynthesis to accumulate sugars. This is what ensures the fruits have a better taste. This is the black water that makes vegetables develop robust root systems. When peppers drink it, they bloom and bear more fruits. When tomatoes drink it, they yield more and bigger fruits. When cucumbers drink it, they grow straight and numerous with it. When cabbages drink it, they have thick, glossy green leaves. What exactly is this black water? Even many horticultural bases use it, and in fact, you can easily make it at home. Today, I'm sharing this formula with you for free. Could you please take a moment to like and follow, so you can find it whenever you need it? The method is, mix 150 grams of brown sugar and 15 grams of baking soda into 15 kilograms of water. Use this to water the roots of the plants, once every half a month. It can improve the soil, prevent compaction, supplement nutrients, and promote root growth and strong seedling development. It works for vegetables in the field as well as all soil-grown plants at home. Give it a try, and follow me for more planting tips. The number 1 pest of scallions is the thrips. Don't worry. I'm about to teach you a trick to easily deal with it. If scallions are infested with thrips, there will be many silver-white spots on the leaves. If these spots are severe, the leaves will twist, turn yellow, and eventually wither. Some people, not knowing this, think that the scallions are short of water and keep watering them. Now, I'm going to share a small recipe with you. Before that, please take a moment to click the follow button and light up the little red heart to save this information for future reference. Chop 5 small chili peppers and soak them in boiling water for 24 hours. Then add 20 grams of white sugar and filter the mixture. Next, add 30 liters of water and stir evenly. Spray this solution on the scallions after 5 p.m. This method is very effective in controlling thrips. The best part is that it is pollution-free and residue-free. Give it a try. If you can't remember, follow me and I will share more agricultural planting tips with you every day. If snails are crawling all over your vegetable garden and chewing holes in your perfectly good leaves, don't panic. Today, I'll share a method that lets you keep snails away from your veggies. No need to buy expensive pesticides. The method is super simple, and all the ingredients you'll need are common household items. Not only does it work on snails, but it also helps prevent some other pests in the garden. Before I get to the specific steps, could you please hit that free little red like button to show your support and save this too? That way, when you need to use the method later, you can find it anytime. Here's how to do it. First, add a handful of Sichuan peppercorns to a bowl of clean water. Then pour in 1 bottle cap's worth of white liquor. Next, add a chopped chili pepper and let the mixture soak overnight. The next day, strain out the solid residues, pour the liquid into a spray bottle, and spray it directly on the vegetable leaves. By the next day, you'll notice far fewer snails in your garden. Give this method a try too. Throughout the growth cycle of cucumber plants, we need to prune the side shoots. When the cucumber plants grow to 6 leaves, you can cut off the tips of the side shoots. Note that you should only cut the tips, not the entire side shoots. At this stage, any flower tendrils or fruit tendrils on the cucumber plants should be removed as well. When the main vine of the cucumber plant grows to 10 leaves, all the lower side shoots, flower tendrils, fruit tendrils, old leaves, and yellow leaves should be cut off. This helps concentrate nutrients on the growth of the main vine, allowing the plant to focus its nutrition on developing a strong structure. Once the plant grows sturdy, you will have an endless supply of cucumbers to pick later. After each harvest, we can first prune off the old leaves at the bottom, then lower the old basal vines to the ground. This way, the new vines can continue to grow upward. By means of this vine lowering method, cucumber vines can keep growing upward and keep bearing fruits, ensuring you have a constant supply of cucumbers to enjoy. Follow me, and I will share daily tips on planting.